Hello, and welcome to another episode of Resto-Rob. Today, I'm not going to do any restorations, but instead, I'm going to give you a spooky story of things that could happen. This is my entry into the Armando Halloween Tool Challenge. Sit back, relax, as I tell you the story of what could possibly happen if all the tool restorers of this world disappear. Here we see the usage of a pair of pliers. The pliers have dropped to the ground and are long forgotten. You can see the sands of time covering this pair of pliers. This pair of pliers has now been found. But how do we restore this, where all the tool restorers have left? Aha, says one man. He has invented a machine. A reversing machine of this atomic age. Let's see if this reversing machine actually works. This gentleman, who looks a lot like Resto-Rob, but isn't, puts the tool in the machine. I don't know what makes this machine work. Is it atomic theory? I don't know. You can see the tools in the machine, and we turn the machine on. The green light indicates that it's working. It is working. Now that the machine is complete, let us see if the tool has actually been restored. It has not been restored, but modified. What has happened? It looks like Mosquito has entered the chamber along with the pair of pliers. What could possibly have happened in this atomic machine? This mosquito. What will it do? How will it affect us? I don't know. Will mankind be saved? We don't know. What will we do? Who will save us? Well, folks, that was a good thing that was a fictional story. All the tool restorers not restoring tools anymore? Heaven forbid. And how can a tool and mosquito combine together to make a tool? Mosquito tool. Atomic mosquito tool. Who knows? That's crazy. Or is it? Until next time, stay safe, and we'll check you later.